Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Dutch. We're about to wrap up topic 12. Topic 12 was a very short topic, and we're at the assessment practice already. So we're just going to go over ways to measure things. Okay, question number 1 says, what tool would you use to measure the length of the picture? Okay, so we learned many different tools that we can use. We could use a piece of string. We could use more accurately a ruler because that would tell us exactly how many inches, or we could use cubes. But our best choice would be a ruler. Let's write ruler. Or cubes would be fine as well. You could use a ruler or cubes. Or paper clips, because over here, number 2 says, what is the length of the shoe in paper clips? So notice how they lined them up. There's no gaps in between, and the line is straight. That's the way you use paper clips to measure something. So let's count the paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the shoe is 7 paper clips long. Okay, we're rolling right along here. Let's look at question number 3. Number 3 says, which word describes the red line? Okay, so we used some vocabulary last week with our measurement, and they're using them down here. So let's look at the red line. The red line, look, is all the way down here. And compare it to this line, and compare it to this line, our black and our blue. So is it the shortest? No, the black line is the shortest. This says middle. It's not in the middle. The black line is in the middle. It says smallest. One more time, that's describing the black line. Longest. Very good. The red line is the longest line. Question number 4 says, what is the length of the notebook in cubes? So they showed us paper clips. Now they're showing us cubes. And notice the cubes are snapped together. They're Unifix cubes. They're all the same length. They didn't use big cubes, little cubes. They use all the same cubes. And that's very important to remember when you measure something using objects or an object. So let's count the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This notebook is 8 cubes long. Okay, let's move on to the next screen. All right, this page, we're going to do question 6 and question 7. We'll probably do 8. We'll do 6, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, we could probably do all of these. We have plenty of time. Okay, number 5 says, choose 3 statements that are true about the objects below. So we have a feather and we have cubes. It says, the first one right here says, the feather is 7 cubes long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's not true. The feather is being measured correctly. Well, that's true because there's no gaps in between the cubes. The cubes are lined up and is making a straight line. So this one is true. Because that's the way we would use them. correctly to measure something. Okay. The next one says the feather is 8 cubes long, and we just counted those cubes, and there are 8, and the feather is 8 cubes long. Over here, the right end of the feather is at 7 cubes. The right end, so this is the right end, and they said it is at 7 cubes. Nope, it's all the way down here. And the next one says the right end of the feather is at 8 cubes. And that one is correct also. So 3 of these statements were correct. Let's move over to number 6. Number 6 says, which sentences are true about the lines? Choose 2 that apply. So we have a blue line that is long, a yellow line that is not as long as the blue line, and then we have a short red line. The blue line is the shortest. That's not true. We just said the blue line is longest. This one says the blue line is longer than the yellow line. That's true. So that's 1. They said we could choose 2. This one says the red line is shortest. And it is. That one's true. So let's check these other. They said we could choose 2. We just chose 2. But let's go over here to make sure one of these that we have chosen is not there, that these are correct. The yellow line is longer than the blue line. That's not true. The yellow line is the shortest, and that's not true. So yes, we did find the 2 correct ones. Number 7 says, choose the object that is shorter. Use the red object to help and explain. So it says, choose the object that is shorter. So if we're using a paper clip and we look down here, we can see that the cube is shorter than the paper clip. And what we did, the paper clips are the same size. So that's why we can use the paper clips to compare the lengths of the object. Over here, we're going to use the pencils in that capacity to see which object is shorter up here. So when I look at the marker and the pencil are almost the exact same length. And we go over here to the eraser, we see that the eraser is shorter. So we're going to mark the eraser. That's the shorter object. And again, when we use an object, notice the pencils are the same length. That's why we can use them to measure objects. And we put one end even. See, we got the ends here even, just like we had over there. So, okay, boys and girls, that's going to conclude topic 12, measuring using objects. Okay, so see you soon. Bye-bye.